One final question before we change gears a little bit, Bhante. Even in your response to this question from Pasindu, I feel it's full of contradictions. Like, and yesterday you said that in the Tripitaka, so in the Buddhist texts, there's not a single thing you can find in which you cannot also find the opposite. So can you explain that idea, Bhante? The room for contradiction?
That is to say that linear system is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. But when things to be reciprocal, 1 is leading to 2 and 2 again leading to 1. So therefore, to the advancing way, so 2 is more advanced than 1. But if you have to come back, then 1 is more advanced than the 2.
Mm.
So likewise, the reciprocality is what you call dependent origination, and that is something not linear, but it is a whole system approach. That's also part and parcel of the human brain. But education killed it. It's always teaching you to go linear way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, whenever the 2 is junior and 1 is senior, like the reciprocal way, you feel like you feel odd according to your educational understanding. Very difficult to de-learn it.
Right.
But I don't think it's doing a permanent damage. It is possible. That for that, information knowledge is very important. The deductive knowledge, the reciprocality of the, not only the advancing, but the best example is if you read in Dīgha Nikāya, Nidana Sutta.
I was going to ask you a question about that tomorrow. Go ahead, Bhante.
The Buddha Sikhī, before this, our Buddha, our Buddha is referring to when the Buddha Sikhī's rationality. He was thinking and contemplating the old age, death, disease and everything. What is the root cause for our day-to-day problem? It's also birth. No one can believe. If it is so, no medical science. Medical science says the disease is due to germs. Disease is due to this and blah, 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 blah. But if someone is going to say your birth is the root cause, and doctor will be kicked off from the tradition, he can't write in the death certificate, your death is due to your birth. Can you expect? So he is very dramatically showing is such a simple fact. And then what is the approximate cause for the birth? He says your cumulative karmic forces, bhava. And then he go back. And it's a rational way. But the opposite way, when you go to the mind, nāmarūpa and viññāṇa, he says nāmarūpa is, or Neumann matter is due to viññāṇa, viññāṇa is due to nāmarūpa. That is reciprocality, he can't penetrate through. It is like throwing a rubber ball against a rock. It is bumping. So when he was contemplating about that, enlightenment and the understanding happened the same moment. Because we have been taught one variable is leading to this. But on the earth, there are no single variable for any phenomena, and it is due to number of variables. And the result also not a single effect, it's 1,001 effects. So our linear education is finding a strand from this relationship to that. But it is only partial knowledge. The totality is very difficult to comprehend as far as ego is there. Ego is try to find a relationship between this variable and that variable. It's a linear relationship. So therefore science cannot penetrate that situation. Science is definitely finding these linear relationships. But you can have some kind of a deductive knowledge. There may be some other ways also. Many variables make many effects. So if it is so, you understand you are a fool. You cannot comprehend. That understanding you are a fool is a knowledge. Understanding that I can't comprehend is the knowledge.
That's the knowledge that brings arahantship, enlightenment?
Yeah, that's about leading to a transcendental part. That's the leading to enlightenment. You know what a fool you are.
So is it bewilderment then that leads you there?
Bewilderment. Yeah, no, I mean that bewilderment is a immunity for you. Understanding your weaknesses, understanding the foolishness, idiotness. What a blessing.